Get ready for some mind-blowing animal facts that will amaze you. In this video, you can get info. Frog can fly? Can chimpanzees drink alcohol? How many times dolphin can sleep? Female octopuses dies after giving birth. What is world's heaviest flying bird? And much more. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible animal facts every week.
Number 1.
There's a frog that can fly. Yes, really. The Wallace's flying frog, one of the weirdest frogs in the world, glides using its huge webbed feet, which enable it to control its descent and even steer in midair.
Number 2.
Octopuses dies after giving birth. While parents sacrifice much for their offspring, few routinely give up their lives. But such is the destiny of a female octopus, tending her eggs is the last thing she'll do. In a gloriously tragic act of self-sacrifice, she stops eating and dies of starvation before the young hatch. She might even hasten her demise by actively ripping off parts of her own body.
Number 3.
Sticking to cuttlefish, did you know they have blue blood? It's so colored thanks to the copper-rich protein it contains, known as hemocyanin, which transports oxygen around the body. Mammal blood is red due to its own rich hemoglobin, which does the equivalent job.
Number 4.
Dolphins sleep with only half of their brain at a time. This is vital to their survival, allowing them to both come to the surface to breathe and remain vigilant.
Number 5.
The heaviest animal ever is a 39-million-year-old whale named Parusetus colossus. Although the whale is estimated to be somewhat shorter than blue whales, the density of its bones meant it may have been significantly heavier, with a body mass of between 85 and 340 tons.
Number 6.
Flamingos are pink on the inside, not just the outside. These flamboyant birds are adapted to collect and metabolize carotenoid pigments, the chemicals found in algae, crustaceans, and microscopic plant materials that form tones of orange, red, yellow, and pink. Though the pink coloration is most obvious in a flamingo's plumage, the carotenoids also impregnate the bird's tissues, skin, blood, and even egg yolk.
Number 7.
Komodo dragons can have so-called virgin births, as well as mating with males. The species is parthenogenetic. In other words, the females can lay fertile eggs without any input from males. This will only reproduce identical young, however. For the species to continue to adapt, it needs to mate.
Number 8.
Orangutans self-medicate. A Sumatran orangutan in Indonesia has been observed healing a nasty wound on its face by making a paste from a native plant known to locals as having healing properties. The primate chewed the stems and leaves of the Acar cooning plant Fibroria tinctoria, a type of liana vine, and repeatedly spread the juice and shredded leaves on his open wound over a number of days.
Number 9.
Drinking alcohol isn't just a human trait, animals enjoy getting drunk too. Chimpanzees are known to raid stocks of palm wine brewed by villagers, and feral vervet monkeys in the Caribbean are famous for stealing alcoholic drinks from bars.
Number 10.
The slimiest animal in the world is the hagfish. They can produce a liter of slime in under 0.1 seconds. Hagfish slime is deployed as a defense to clog the gills of fish predators, causing them to suffocate.
Number 11.
The hairiest animal in the world is the sea otter, whose luxurious fur, according to a 2010 study, comprises a phenomenal 100-160,000 hairs per square centimeter. An adult probably sports more than 1 billion hairs in total.
Number 12.
An elephant's trunk contains tens of thousands of individual muscles, many more than in the entire human body, and is quite obviously the biggest nose in the world.
Number 13.
The animal that sleeps the most is the koala. This Australian icon sleeps for 20-22 hours each day. Sounds good to us, making it the sleepiest creature in the animal kingdom.
Number 14.
The world's heaviest flying bird, the Kori bustard, weighs an astonishing 11-19 kg. Because of its tremendous weight, the Kori bustard uses a lot of energy to fly, so it will only take off when necessary.
Number 15.
Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards, a skill which comes in handy when feeding on the nectar of plants and insects.